What's important to you in your facility support provider? It might be tempting to think that all providers are pretty much the same, that the only factor that sets them apart is price. But what about things like integrity? Would you prefer a provider committed to doing exactly what they say they're going to do every time? A provider founded on the principles of transparency and trust. One who understands that being good enough is never good enough. Who innovates and adapts to better serve you. Who introduces the latest in technology, including robotics and AI, to go beyond the performance and capabilities you'd expect? That's Bravo. And we pride ourselves on being an industry leader in world-class facility support services. Our expertise ensures that you never have to worry about the cleanliness of your facility, and that commitment is embedded in everything we do. We operate on an established set of core values that are promoted within our company and with our clients. These values can be found in the two words we stand by every day: of service, opportunity, fairness, safety, each other, respect, voice, innovation, contribution, excellence. It's by upholding these core values and demonstrating them in how we operate day to day, by doing what we say we're going to do, that we're able to constantly challenge the status quo and bring the highest level of service and state-of-the-art facility solutions to our valued clients. That's why Bravo is different. Our team is fully trained and screened with an award-winning safety record. We're like a big family. Our very first teammate is proud to still be with us, and we're motivated and committed to transforming the building services industry. Contact us today for more information, a proposal, or a free quote.